are you?
Pretty good. Looking for a
Good vacuum.
all right. Do you have pets or?
We have 3 pits, mostly carpet, some bare floor.
How big is your house?
1,600 up, 1,600 down.
You need a pretty good vacuum. The best vacuum and the most popular vacuum we've had over the last 15 years has been the Tandem Air. The R40 series is the best vacuum you can get for that. I have a little demo I can show you that demonstrates it's dramatically more powerful than anything else that's out there. So I'll just give you this little demo. This is one of the advertisers. And sand really exposes a vacuum because the suction port's over on the right hand side. So it's going to try to whip that dirt over to the port, and it's difficult. Most vacuums will struggle with that. Notice there's not much agitation there at all. Cleaning it up and smearing it into the carpet. And you saw what that did. I'm going to adjust this to low, as this is a low pile carpet. And the first thing that's nice about these is you have 17 feet of low mounted hose, so if you're pulling on the vacuum it won't flop over, and you don't have to put this away while you're vacuuming. Notice the agitation there? Over here. You do something like that, it just tells you the roller brush is jammed. Pull that out, turn it off, turn it back on. It's got a lifetime guarantee on that belt. It won't slip or stretch, so you'll always get consistent performance out of your roller brush. If you want to use your tools, turn that valve on, then go to your tool cleaning. The vacuum won't flop over if you shut the suction off and over your leaf valve. So you go back and forth and it saves you time. If you want to do a bare floor, you shut the roller off. The reason why these are more powerful than anything else that's on the market, there's 3 technologies. The first technology is direct air. All the old vacuums push the dirt up into the bag. They had good power at the floor, but poor filtration. So then they designed bypass, and this is what most all vacuums are now. The way they work is they suck the dirt up through the hose, use the door as a seal, pull the dirt into the bag, filter the air after the bag and before it leaves the motor. You can see that's got to work a lot harder to pull that dirt in the bag than just shoving it up in there. So they lost power to gain infiltration. What they did with this is combine both technologies. So you have the first motor pushing the dirt into the bag. And then you have the second motor pulling and filtering. All other vacuums are either this or this. Nobody else has got both. And it gives you several advantages. First off, it's going to be a deeper cleaner than anything on the market. The second thing you can do is pack this bag like a brick. Whereas that kind of machine, in the can, where the bag gets halfway full, you start losing your suction. This will continue to pack it in because it's pushing it in through the top. We literally get them in with the imprint of the door on the bag. The third thing you can do with this is switch with this in your hand. You can't do that with any other vacuums because this vacuum has 2 motors and you're switching one motor off when you go to the suction. So it makes it more versatile, and there isn't a deeper cleaner on the market.
What about the bag? How do you put the bag on?
Oh, Good point.
Oh man, that's so easy.
Yep.
That's
And then you
easier
put
than taking a canister off the bagless and emptying it.
And then to put the new bag in, you just put that in the slot, slide it down, and flip it over. Some other things that are very nice about this, it's got 3 filters, front motor filter, a large pre-motor filter, and the exhaust is out the side. Plus, it's a zero emission HEPA filter, so it puts 0 particle back into the air at 0.3 microns. This particular model is the R40. It has a 3-year service plan, so Riccar pays for your filter set on the 1st, 3rd, and 5th anniversary. It also comes with all of the tools you need. You have the 12-in-1 multi-tool, which you can put that on there and clean a ledge or open it all the way up, or use it like a crevice tool. You can also flip it around and put it on the end for a nice handy dusting brush. All of the tandems come with the dusting brush, rectangular, or the upholstery tool there for a little more aggressive cleaning, and then the crevice tool on the side. This particular model also gets a turbo tool, great for stairs or upholstery, and it has 6 height adjustments, so you can go from low up to a tall pile carpet, and it has enough power once you get off of the floor, off of the carpet, to deep clean your carpet still. Whereas the free floating head would struggle if you had a height adjustment. It's just not got enough power to pull the dirt out of the carpet. So if you got pets, or you just like deep cleaning, this is the best vacuum you can buy.
Awesome. Give me one.
All right.